Welcome to this Bedroq video. My name is Craig, and today we'll be covering the different presenter modes in Microsoft Teams. Bedroq is a Microsoft Solutions partner for modern work. This means that we are Microsoft experts who can support you with the best solutions to enhance your organization's modern work environment. Rather than simply sharing your content, you can use presenter mode to be able to create a more engaging environment for your meeting or presentation. There are 3 different modes depending on your personal preference, so you can choose which is most suitable for your content and approach. Just for comparison, here's the standard look when you share your screen. Now onto the presenter modes. This first one is called Standout. Then you've got Side by Side and Reporter. It's important to note that these interactive presenter modes are only available in the desktop version of MS Teams, and might look a bit funny if your participants are joining on the web browser. Let's not waste any time and get stuck into it. As I just mentioned, these settings are down to personal preference. So I'm just going to quickly show you where to find the options, and then in your own time you can go and play around with them and see what works best for you and your content. Okay, so in your Teams meeting, along the top bar here, you'll find the share option, just like when you share your screen normally. Click it once to open up this screen. And here are where you'll find your 4 options for how your screen will look when you present. You've got your content only, which is the default one that you normally would use. You've got your standout option, side by side, and reporter. It's important to note that if your presentation or content has any audio in it, then you need to make sure that this setting is on. Okay, so now you choose which option you'd like, and then which screen you'd like to share. And this is what it will look like if you choose the standout option. To the side of your presentation and the screen that you're sharing, you'll be able to access this window here. You can change which side you're on by clicking these buttons here, and you can change the size of yourself. If you're covering too much of your content, make yourself smaller. If you want to be a bit more in the foreground like this, you can slide it all the way up to here. To get to any of the other options, you go to the same point, select the different options, so we'll go side by side this time, and again the screen or window that you wish to share. Again, you'll have a similar looking window like this, where you can change which side you're on, and again, change the size of you compared to your content to suit your needs. Alright, one last time. Let's have a look at Reporter. Again, choose the option, check your audio, choose your screen or window. Once more, you see a very similar window. You can choose which side you're on, and the size of you, and your content. And that's us. A nice quick one today. It really is personal preference, so go away, have a play with it, see what works best for you and your content. If you found this helpful, please be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and keep an eye out because there's going to be more in this mini series of how-to videos. Bedroq also hosts a monthly What's New in Microsoft 365 webinar, where you can find out about the latest features and updates coming to Microsoft 365 programs, including Teams. You can find out more on our website or right here on our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.